I was sent the Winky Lux Flower Balm lip balms, and these are really cool. I actually have the purple one on right now. What makes them so neat is, first of all, how cute is the shape? Second of all, they have a little flower on the inside. So you get a little purple flower on the inside. It's clear, but it goes on with this awesome tint. So since you can already see that one, let's see the pink one on me. We'll do a second layer on that. They also smell really, really good. So this is the pink rose. You can see the cute little flower on the inside, and then that clear gloss goes on so smooth. And then right away, that hint of color starts showing up. Kind of reminds me of those mood changing lipsticks. I don't know if you ever wore those when you were a kid, but they would be clear and then they would become a color once they're on. That's what this reminds me of. It's so cute, so pretty, and I love that color. So whether you do the pink or the purple, or like I just did, a combo, it looks really good. Your lips feel so hydrated, and it's really long lasting.